There we go. Welcome back to the OSM channel. I want to share with you a quick trick that I learned on how to assemble these stovepipe sections. Now, basically what you need to do, you need to get this folded over edge into this receiving slot. You got to line it up and then you got to push down and then everything should kind of lock together. Trouble is, you know, the way it comes from the factory, it being pitched up, it's very difficult to do so. So here's the trick I've learned. You want to start one end first. So I'm going to start right here, push down, and I'm going to try and line up this folded over section in that groove, like that. I'm going to zoom in here. So I have the corner of this seam started. Trouble is, if I were to try and work the rest of the seam down along the length of the pipe, this corner would pop out and I'd have to start from the beginning. So here's the trick. Once you start a corner, you need to wrap something around the pipe. You can use a ratchet strap. I have a locking chain clamp available to me, and that's what I'm going to use. You know, you could get one of these at Harbor Freight. I think they're like 16 bucks. So I'm going to wrap this around the pipe. Not extreme tension, just a little bit of tension to keep things tight. And now I don't have to worry about this corner coming undone. Now I can start working the seam down along the length of the pipe. I'm standing up on a chair now. It also helps to have the stovepipe, you know, at your knee line so you can use your body weight as you push down here. Pushing in the middle. Lining everything up. This one's fighting me pretty good. There we go. That just popped together. Loosen up our clamp. See, the edges are offset a little bit, so we can tap this down, fix that. You may notice that your stovepipe is a little bit out of round, so no big deal. Just push it down, get it round. It's still not an easy job, but by having some type of strap around one end of the pipe after you start that corner, makes it doable. Now, if you're curious, I'm building a maple syrup evaporator. If you want to see the full build video, I'll leave a link for that in the description down below. Thanks for watching.